Hiring the wrong executive could cost you $1 million, and most companies don't even realize when they're using the wrong strategy. Stick around for a few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to get it right. I'm Pete Newsom with Four Corner Resources. We help companies make the hires that shape their future. And today, I'm breaking down what retained search is, when you should use it, and how to know if it's the right move for your company. Let's keep it simple. Retained search is when you hire one recruiting firm to fill a critical role, usually an executive or leadership position. You pay part of the fee up front, whether they fill the job or not. Why? Because you're getting their full focus, a dedicated strategy, and access to candidates you'll never find on job boards. This isn't about flooding your inbox with resumes. It's about handpicking the right person to lead your business. Here's the truth. A bad executive can cost you anywhere from $250,000 to over $1 million, according to the Society for Human Resource Management's latest research. Retained search helps you avoid that risk. It also gives you access to the 75% of top candidates who aren't applying to jobs and, again, will never be on job boards. They have to be recruited directly, and that takes a different approach. If your search needs to stay confidential, like replacing a senior leader quietly, retained search is built exactly for that. Retained search makes sense when you're hiring a C-level, VP, director, or other high-impact role. You need access to passive candidates you can't find yourself. You need someone who will move the needle, not just check the boxes. Or you need it done right the first time, no mistakes. It doesn't make sense if you're hiring for entry-level positions, multiple jobs at once, staff-level roles, or when speed matters more than precision. Here's the good news. With retained search, you get higher quality candidates. You get recruiters who are 100% focused on your specific search. And according to the latest data, retained search hires stay longer in their roles, typically 46% longer than contingency hires. Now here's the trade-off. You'll pay a portion of the fee up front, and you'll commit to working with one specific firm for the duration of the search. That's why picking the right partner matters so much. At Four Corner Resources, we understand the stakes when you're hiring for leadership. If you want to talk through whether retained search makes sense for your next big hire, we're here to help. No pressure, just honest advice. You can also visit fourcornerresources.com to read about all of our staffing solutions. Thanks for watching, and here's to making the hire that changes everything.